How to buy Renzo token. So this token came under the symbol of REZ. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards and crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address. And as you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your WEEX wallet for that. So I will just log into my wallet first before we start. So what you need to do, you need to select the network as Ethereum. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called REZ. As you can see, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, click on swap. And you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy REZ token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.